Welcome to SPS Digital, where we post reviews and demo videos of profitable software and tools that will help you grow your business. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video.
Hello everyone, welcome to the official demo of Flaxxa Wapi. As you can see here, once you log in inside the dashboard, you will see this nice menu options and all the dashboard here. So the first thing you will do inside the tool is obviously to get a phone number for your WhatsApp business API. We have provided some few options of the trusted phone number providers. Okay, so you can also get a virtual number from any of these providers to get started with this journey. Once you get a phone number, you need to create a new brand. Just put up your brand name, give it a description, logo, select the time zone, put up your company name, and this is the step where you will be entering your phone number. Okay, so for me, I will just enter my phone number at the moment and click on submit. So once you submit here, you will see a new step which says WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Okay, so these are the instructions which we have provided for you to read out. But usually, if you can simply go to this button and follow the on-screen wizard, you will be able to set up this step completely and easily. Okay, so click on this setup and follow all the on-screen instructions right in front of you. So this is going to take you 2 to 3 minutes to complete this entire step. Okay, like you select your business portfolio and you select give your business name, website. If you don't have a website, you can also use your social media profile for your brand. That's also acceptable. Okay, so once you follow all these steps, you will see something like your brand is now connected. Okay, so I will switch on to different brand from here which is previously connected. So for me, I'm going to use Flaxxa brand and I will show you. Okay, so once you complete that step, you will see a success message like this. Okay, so this is the minimum basic requirement to start using Flaxxa Wapi. Once you finish with these two steps, now your next step would be to add your contact list. So you have two options. So either you can start uploading your contact list directly, or you can create some groups. Okay, so for me, for example, I have created few of the groups. Okay, and then you can upload and import your contacts into these groups in order to clean out your contact list strategy. Okay, so adding a group is quite easy. You can just click on add group, insert your group name. After that, you can click on import, and here is the CSV file you need to import. Okay, so we have added the instructions here. You need to add phone and name as the options. Okay, so your CSV file must have these two options as the first columns, right? If you don't have a formatted CSV file, you can also download it one from here. Once you import your CSV file from here, select a group, okay, which you previously created, and import contacts. So once you complete this step as well, you will see something like this, contact list. And there you can see all the numbers that are already stored in your system, right? So this is the very important and the basic step that you need to create your contacts and arrange them into different groups. Okay, you can also use these filters to segment your customers based on different countries and based on different groups, right? You can always export your data at any time and make use of contacts custom fields, right? So this is the option for the custom contact fields. Okay, now one of the most important thing is once you go into the brand page, I forgot to tell you one thing, which is chat widget. Okay, so this brand is currently active, which means this is selected and you see this option as chat widget. Okay, so as a brand, you always have this option to embed this code on your website. Once you do that, your customer can directly start interacting with you on your brand channel. Okay, so if you want to customize the preview of this chat widget, you simply click on customize. And in this next screen, you will see this nice preview over here with some options to configure. Okay, so this is the welcome text. You can see this welcome text over here, and this is the default user message. So I just kept it very simple and called it hello. Okay, so once the user starts to click on the start chat, they will reply you with a hello message. Okay, so you save this widget, and if you implement this widget on your website in the footer or in the header, you will see something like this kind of appearance. Okay, and this can be closed up and open anytime. Okay, so let's try to click on start chat, click on continue to chat, and you have two options. Either you need to download the WhatsApp app or you can use WhatsApp web. Okay, so let's use WhatsApp web for now, and it will automatically take you to the default handle of your WhatsApp business. Okay, something like that, something like this, and you click on hello. Now all the automations that we already set inside the Flaxxa Wapi tool will start to appear. So this is our launch menu, and as you can see here, we have added some few options for our partners. Once you click on any message, the next automation will automatically run. Okay. Similarly, if you click on any other link, okay, it will give you the next message. Plus, you can also ask him few important questions like, can you give me details on the pre-launch webinar? Okay, and you can see here that there are so many options that are already provided here, okay, as an automation. Now one of the coolest option you will see right here on this WhatsApp business is this catalog option. Okay, so if you click on the catalog, now you can also start selling things directly from your WhatsApp. Okay, so you see all this information, select the items. Okay, after that you can send these to business. This card is sent. Now the system will again send you a new message, but this message will be carry forwarded only on your WhatsApp mobile, right? Meta has not enabled the sent item card to be viewed on the WhatsApp web, right? So that means the next step from this should be followed directly on the mobile. Okay. Now coming on to the feature which we are explaining. So next step is the templates. Okay, so in order to send three types of messages, okay, Meta allows you to send three types of messages. One is marketing SMS, second one is authentication SMS, and third one is utility. Okay, so in order to send any kind of marketing SMS, you need to create your templates and you need to get them approved from Meta, right? So once a template is approved, in that case you can send this template to any amount of contacts you want without getting banned. Okay, so if you already have some templates approved from Meta, you can load these templates from Facebook. Okay, press this button and the system is going to fetch automatically all the templates that are approved in your account. Okay, but if you don't have one, simply you can go on create template, and there you have two options. So either you can create a new template from scratch or you can browse the existing templates. So there is this new option, create new template, and now you have three categories to choose from. So marketing category, utility, and authenticate, right? So let's select marketing for now, and inside the marketing you have three more options, which is to send the catalog and the flows. So for this example, I'm going to use the custom type of marketing category, and I'm gonna give it a name like test temp 1. Okay, and I'm gonna select the language English. You can select any languages that are provided here. On the next step, this is the header. Okay, so header is something where you start that message with some bold things. Okay, so in your header you can have three options. Either you can insert and start with a text, or you can insert a video over here and an image, right? If you don't want to use header, simply select it as blank. After that, this should be your body, right? So Facebook or Meta allows you to provide variables in the form of numbers, right? And you cannot just put random numbers, but you should use the numerical numbers with automatic increments. So if you want to use 3 to 4 variables, you need to give it and start from 1, 2, 3, and 4, and not from like 1, 4, 3. So it doesn't work, right? So this is the format for using the variables. So you need to use the number with two curly braces. Okay, so that's how you should use the variables. Okay, so for example, in this template, I'm going to simply select something like welcome to Flaxxa Wapi. This is yes, email template. I will keep it very simple, although you can insert, several different emojis over here, and you can make the text bold or italic. Select your text, right, and make it bold, italic, or do anything, right, and it will always inherit all those options from here. So you can also use a footer. I will use something like this message is sent from Flaxxa Wapi. Okay. Now here, this is very interesting part where in the template you can add up to 10 custom buttons, okay, to run the automations of different sizes and different types. And you can also be able to visit your website, a CTA action, or call us. So for this example, I'm not going to use custom because that's related to automations, but here we will add these two buttons. So let's say I'm gonna add my button visit website, and I'm gonna put my main website into here. Then I'm gonna add another button for call us. Okay, call us, and I'm going to give my number here. Once you click on the save button, your template is saved. Now you go back to the templates part, and you have to send this template for approval to Meta, right? So click on this button, send for approval. And if your business account has, the business account is verified and the number is connected, so Meta is going to approve this template within 1-2 minutes, right? In order to get the latest status, you need to again sync the template from this button. So you click on this button to sync the templates, and you can see here the template should be approved now, right? So we call this template as test temp 1. It's still pending, so we need to wait probably another few seconds or a minute. Let's try to refresh this again, and this time it says it's approved, correct? So now let's try to send a message, a broadcast message to this campaign. Okay, so click on broadcast campaign, and I'm going to send a new campaign from here. So sending a campaign is super easy. So you just give it any name, it doesn't matter, and then select your template, right? So our template was test temp 1 in the English language, and after that I can select my contact, right? So I'm gonna select my test team over here, and then there are two options. So you can either schedule your message, or you can ignore the schedule time and send your message right now. So I'm gonna send this message right now, and apply to proceed to customize. Since we haven't used any sort of variables in our template, okay, so this column seems empty. And in this case, this is the preview of the message, and once you hit this button, the campaign is going to get sent, right? So it's that easy. Just select the contact list, select the template that you have approved, and done, right? So in 1 or 2 minutes, this campaign is going to be sent to all your contact list, and you will see an interface like this where the message is getting delivered to how many contacts and read by how many contacts, right? So let it be there for a few seconds until we can see the other campaign that we sent earlier. So this was the campaign that we sent earlier in the daytime, and this is my this is my report for the campaign where all the messages are shown, and it is showing the delivered rate and the read receipt of the campaign. You can also download a report from there and also pause the campaign, right? Anytime you pause the campaign stops sending. Okay, so you go back, and as you can see here, the messages are already starting to deliver, and it's read by few percentage of people. So if you keep refreshing that, it's gonna get jumped further, right? So 64% of a campaign is delivered, and now it's read by 9% of the people. So these are the people that received my campaign, and you can see the statuses over here, whether they have sent this campaign or delivered or not. So that's how easy it is. Now, next feature is chat inboxes. So let's say you sent WhatsApp messages to all these contacts and inside your list. After that, people will start replying back to you, right? In that case, what you need to do is go to chat inboxes, and you will see all your conversations over here, and you can go inside any depth level, right? Any message you send them, whatever they reply back to you, whatever you reply back to them, everything is there recorded in this conversation window. Just for your information, you should know that Meta provides you a 24 hours window to start any kind of conversation once the customer replies. So as you can see here, it says 1 day left to reply. So if this customer is not replying to you within 24 hours, in that case, you cannot talk to the customer just like normal messages, right? So you need to start another marketing campaign to the customer, and then send the template message to customer in order to receive further messages from the customer. Okay. So this is very important that you understand all these concepts of chat inboxes. Now these are the advanced features of the tool, reply bots, where you can set up different sorts of automations and auto bots that reply to the customers on your behalf, right? Similarly, WhatsApp flows are advanced as well, where you can set up different sorts of flows within your WhatsApp application, and customers will be able to sign up to your platform. They can log into your platform. They can sell tickets, buy tickets, do anything, right? So I will cover all these important features in the next video. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.